What do you call a vegetable standing in line? A cucumber. Let that one sink in for a second. But if you want cucumbers and pickles every year, and you want cucumber plants that come back like this every year, then you're going to need some heirloom seeds. You cannot go with the GMO modified cucumber plants. You got to go with heirloom seeds. That's why for me and my garden, we use these survival garden seeds, non-GMO and heirloom, from everything from cucumbers to watermelon and everything in between, even though cucumbers and watermelon are technically in the same family and technically fruits. It's true. But anyway, these are heirloom seeds that I have stacked up over time from Survival Garden Seeds. They've been generous enough to send some of these to me so that I give my honest opinion, but we have watermelon, bush beans, and these are all non-GMO and heirloom seeds. So we have not one garden bed, not two garden beds, but we actually have, I have to count it up in my head here, we actually have 7 garden beds. And the heirloom seeds from Survival Garden Seeds have definitely been helpful. Let me show you what they look like. We'll just use cucumbers as an example, show you what the seed quality looks like. Everything's dry whenever I receive it, so none of the packages are wet, none of the seeds are cracked open or anything like that. Had overall good germination success rates as well. And like I said, a lot of the times you can actually see your plants come back yearly because things like cucumbers, some of those cucumbers will fall into the soil, they'll decompose, those seeds will actually be basically sowed into the soil, and then when next season comes around, a lot of the times I end up getting a lot of plants that come back for the next season. So you don't really get that with non-heirloom seeds. If you're gonna do it with genetically modified seeds, then a lot of the times they either don't produce seeds or the seeds are actually not actually going to bear anything reproductive wise. So hopefully this answers some questions that you may have. Happy gardening. I truly think that you're going to enjoy the seeds from Survival Garden Seeds. And otherwise, I hope you have an amazing day.